concern that I always have when using heated products is that it's going to damage my hair.
I'm very conscious of the damage that these products can cause on your hair.
I have been using these new hair straighteners for a few weeks now.
Over the 2 weeks, my hair feels quite nice and soft.
I've absolutely loved using them. I think they've become a really integral part of my daily routine.
One of the standout features for me is the Revive mode.
The Revive mode.
Especially love the Revive technology.
The 2 plates vibrate together and it means that there's much less friction on your hair.
Restoring and maintaining your hair's health.
With the vibrating plates, you were still getting the style you wanted without the heat.
Oh, that went very straight very quickly.
My hair is just, it's straightened it super quickly and it's really smooth, and yeah, I love it.
It's making my hair a lot more glossier, a lot more shiny.
It definitely feels like it runs smoother through the hair because of the vibration.
Less breakage and like less split ends, so I think that's really made such a difference.
I would say it's really bouncy, which is really nice. It's kind of kept the curls and kept the volume.
Another successful journey into the world of straighteners.
I'll be using that Revive mode again. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.